This is TWiT.
So let's go to ice cream because
let's go to ice
heading
cream.
in
It's
that
better.
direction, and we can.
So, and this is related. I promise. In the United States, there is the McDonald's the McDonald's franchise. It's fast food, and McDonald's has ice cream machines for soft serve ice cream. And there is this meme that's been around for years and years that the ice cream machine at McDonald's is always broken. And there's a reason that meme exists, because it's quite common to go into a McDonald's and find that the ice cream machine is broken. Well, there's a couple of reasons for that. One, the ice cream machine at McDonald's is way over-engineered because it does self-cleaning cycles, and to be able to constantly have cold ice cream, but to have it in a way that's safe is a hard problem to solve. So the ice cream machines are way over-engineered. But the bigger problem there is McDonald's has an agreement with a particular company. What's the name of the company? I don't remember the name of the company off the top of my head. But they have agreement with the company that makes the Taylor, I think, makes
Taylor,
these.
yeah.
Yes, Taylor makes these freezers, these ice cream machines, and only Taylor is allowed to service these ice cream machines. And Taylor likes to charge a lot of money to come and do it, and they're not exactly the snappiest. So a company started making these little diagnostic devices. iFixit is one of the companies that's doing it. Public Knowledge is the other, and they're making these little diagnostic devices, sort of like a car OBDC reader, where you can plug it into the port, you can see what the problem actually is, and if it's something trivial, there's a button on there to say "Make me ice cream anyways." Well, Taylor has hit them with a DMCA violation, a Digital Millennium Copyright Act violation, for essentially telling Section 1201, telling them that you're not violating copyright, but you're violating the digital rights management. You're violating the security protections. And so iFixit and these two companies are now launching a lawsuit against McDonald's and Taylor, saying this is ridiculous to use the DMCA to try to prevent us from fixing people's ice cream machines, and they're looking for they're looking for an exception to the DMCA for ice cream machines, and it's very much a right to repair issue, but just the whole thing is humorous. It's hilarious that the DMCA is keeping ice cream out of the hands of poor hungry children.
I'm quickly searching to see if this is true or not. Does McDonald's call their ice cream? I know Dairy Queen does not. A number of other soft serve ice cream vendors don't, because technically they don't qualify by the federal definition of what ice cream is. I know how much you like laws, Jonathan. But I'm trying to find out whether McDonald's actually is ice cream in any way. That's what they all say, soft serve. Yeah, that's right.
Yeah. So there is a hilarious website, by the way. I've got to mention this. McBroken.com is it may be worldwide. Yeah, it's a worldwide map of. I say worldwide. It's not worldwide. It's the US, it's the UK, and Germany. So, but anyway, it's all of the locations where there are McDonald's, and it is a map of right now. Is their ice cream machine working, or is it broken? And I tell you what, when you zoom out on this, there's a whole lot of red on that map. It kind of looks like there's a lot of broken ice cream machines right now. So in Los Angeles,
I'm astonished at how many McDonald's there are to begin with.
Oh, goodness.
It's like, oh my God, it's almost as many as Subway. But there's
Starbucks.
In Los Angeles right now, 17.14% of all of the ice cream machines in the McDonald's franchises are broken. It's hilarious to me.
Wow.
It's midweek, and you really want to know even more about the world of technology.
So you should check out Tech News Weekly, the show where we talk to and about the people making and breaking the tech news.
It's the biggest news. We talk with the people writing the stories that you're probably reading. We also talk between ourselves about the stories that are getting us even more excited about tech news this week.
So if you're excited, well, then join us. Head to twit.tv/TNW to subscribe.